Hi again, traders. I am with you with the analysis of Forex market. I would say that very fast because we didn't have that much changes, and I told you everything in the weekly analysis, and you can go and check it. But something new, interesting happened for DXY today. We have analyzed, DXY, and we understood that we are in a kind of downtrend, and we are moving toward the lower line of the channel. And what we can see for DXY is the uptrend channel, and still we can see a strong, dollar in the next days and in the following days. If there is going to be a breakout, which is probable from the bottom side of the channel, the next, resistance would be this zone. I mean 100.05, and the next one would be 100.05 and half, because this is the midline of the channel. That's it. This is my expectation for tomorrow. Then for euro dollar and pound dollar, we had, pound dollar, we had the things I told you about. Just I tell you about my expectation and the things which might happen. All right, for euro dollar, I told you that the price is moving between these two, zones, and at the moment we can see the next target for euro would be 1.045 or maybe 1.05. This is the next target it can have, and if it gets bearish, pull back to this zone, then it can see 1.03. We didn't have any news from Europe due to, regarding the raise of interests in Europe. So that's why it was, bearish today, and it happened something like this. All right. The same to pound. And what I think would be, the rest of the bearish trend up to maybe these zones, maybe 1.19 is the next target for pound. If there is going to be a breakout of this important zone, 1.21. If there is a breakout, the next target would be 1.20. Let me draw for you and just tell you how you can trade. Somehow this zone, and let me change the color to what it was. Yeah, and the next target would be 1.19. Okay, this was about pound USD. For USD JPY, I told you in my weekly analysis, and I told you that we are going to have a strong dollar, and at the same time you can see it is stronger, and I have determined some areas for you. The same, nothing happened, just you can update your chart like me. The first resistance it can have for tomorrow would be 136 to 137, which is the historical zone, which is kind of resistance. But what I think would be the breakout of this zone, pullback, and we can see a stronger USD in comparison with Japanese yen. All right, and the next currency I will analyze is CADUSD, Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar had a movement, but it couldn't get stronger. And what I guess it has made something like a wedge. And if it gets broken from the bottom side, you can see the supports, but something terrible would happen to CAD if it gets broken. Why? Because it can be, bearish up to this zone, because they say they make the same size legs. This is the first leg and this is the second leg. The second leg's target would be this zone, maybe 0.75. This is the next target if we have a breakout from the bottom side. If not, so we have the breakout from top side, we can have a pullback, then we can see 0.78 and its previous resistance 0.79 and 80 is the next target. Nothing more about Canadian dollar. And the last one is the Australian dollar. USD got stronger today in comparison with Australian dollar. And what we can see at the moment of speaking is, it is moving toward the targets. But if it is not a trading range, okay, it has made the first leg, okay, and we are in this maybe triangle or wedge, and I don't know we have breakout from which side, but if there is going to be breakout from bottom side, we can see stronger US dollar, and it gets stronger up to maybe 1.52 or 3. This is the next target it can have. But if there is going to be a breakout from the bottom side, so we can see, the trading range continues. We should wait to see the breakouts in the following days, and nothing new for, Forex market. The 6 item I always analyze finished. Never consider the things I told you as a financial advice, and you are responsible for your own trades. Don't forget to subscribe my channel not to miss, interesting things I always analyze and let you know about. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.